Hello guys, I'm back with another video. On this video I will show you how you can replace this broken iPhone screen. So this is the kit that I ordered for my iPhone 12 Pro Max LCD, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. First thing we'll do is turn the phone off. For the rest of the video I will let the footage speak for itself and show you the entire iPhone 12 Pro Max screen replacement step by step. This was my second time doing this repair, and I was able to save a lot of money by replacing the screen myself instead of paying a repair shop, which may cost anywhere from $200 to $300. Please only attempt this repair if you are comfortable working on smartphones and understand the risk involved. I used a regular hair dryer to gently heat the edges of the screen and loosen the adhesive before removing the broken display. Be careful not to overheat the phone. Apply heat evenly around the edges for a few minutes to soften the adhesive, making the screen easier to remove. So before reinstalling all the screws and sealing the phone, I recommend powering it on to make sure the new screen is working properly. I'm gonna turn on the phone now. Yep, Apple logo you can see, that means phone is turning on. And once it's on, I'm going to use the touchscreen. Touchscreen is working fine, the way it's supposed to. You just make sure check the display, touch responsiveness, brightness and Face ID functionality. If everything looks good, power the phone off and complete the reassembly. Yep, everything looks good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the phone and I'm going to reverse the process. I'm going to put the phone back. I'm going to reinstall all the screws and seal the phone. This is the most important step. Do not press too hard on any of the edges, but do not press too hard. Apply light, consistent pressure around the entire frame to ensure the screen sits flush and the adhesive seals evenly. Gently press the phone between your palm, as you can see on the screen, and apply even pressure around the edges to help the adhesive bond properly. Do not press too hard. As you might have seen my last video, I tried a little bit harder and tried to press around the edges and end up damaging my screen. Once that's done, I'm going to turn on one more time just to make sure it's working properly. Yep, the phone is turning on. Yes, it's on. The display is working and the touchscreen is responding properly. That means the screen replacement was successful. And that's how you can replace an iPhone 12 Pro Max screen yourself and save money on repair costs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more DIY repairs and tech content. Thank you guys. I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you.